Another way that we can strengthen paper is by using a method called corrugation. So with corrugation, we fold repeatedly a piece of paper into these triangle shapes. It's important that the piece that you start with is about twice as long as the piece that you're trying to corrugate, and it's also important that you try and get all your folds to be exactly the same. So I keep folding it and turning it over, folding it and turning it over, folding it and turning it over, and then we get lots of glue onto the first piece of paper, and we make sure that we glue that down, making sure it's spread out. Just give it a press down. Don't squash it, but press it down to make sure it's touching it. And then glue on these edges. That's where you need to really get the glue. And then press that down like that. Hold it in place, and then lift your corrugated piece of paper off. And you can see that that has actually strengthened it.